Good morning and Jai Hind students. This time I have taken Adventures of Toto, The Adventure of Toto from the book Moments. I am Kanchan, your English teacher, and in this chapter you will read about a mischievous monkey who always did activities in which he was also in trouble, and he would keep troubles to others. So it's the first part of the story. So here this chapter was written by Ruskin Bond and is an interesting story about a pet monkey, and characters are Toto, a mischievous monkey, grandfather who was a pensioner who is fond of animals. Ultimately he loses his patience and he returns him back. So grandfather bought Toto from a tanga driver for the sum of 5 rupees में उन्होंने ख़रीदा था. The tanga driver used to keep the little red monkey tied to a feeding trough, and the monkey looked so out of place there. Grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to the private zoo. Private zoo means he had always so many animals at his home, so he decided to keep Toto also with them, all of them. So second paragraph, Toto was a pretty monkey. Pretty means attractive, and his bright eyes sparkled with mischief beneath deep set eyebrows. It's about his physical facial expression, and his teeth, which were pearly white color के teeth थे, were very often displayed in a smile that frightened the life out of elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. So whenever he would smile or open his mouth, so all Anglo-Indian ladies, they were terrified. So but his hands looked dried up as though they had been pickled in the sun for many years. Yet his fingers were quick and wicked, because he was very active and he used his fingers to clutch anything, and his long tail he would use to climb up on the roof or on the trees. So grandfather believed a tail would add to anyone's good looks, also served as a third hand. He could use it to hang from a branch, and it was capable of scooping up any delicacy that might be out of reach of his hands. So where he could not use his hands, he would use his tail. Grandmother always first. When grandfather brought, grandmother didn't like monkey and any animal, but anyhow grandfather brought, and then grandfather and the author put it a secret, and they had kept it in bedroom, and where he was tied securely, and they thought that it will be safe here. But a few hours later, when grandfather and the author returned back to release Toto, they found that the walls, which had been covered with some ornamental papers, had been made rough, and naked brick and plaster was there. The means कि उसने जितना पेपर था सब कुछ खरोंच के निकाल दिया था, केवल ब्रिक और प्लास्टर बचे थे. The peg in the wall had been wrenched from its socket, and my school blazer, which had been hanging there, was in shreds. So उसने बहुत खरोंच करके कपड़े को भी ख़राब कर दिया, and walls he had made spoiled. I wondered what grandfather would say, but grandfather didn't worry. He seemed pleased with Toto's performance. He is clever, said grandfather. Given time, I am sure he could. Grandfather believed that after some time he will be silent, and he will be not doing all these things, because he also turned pieces of his blazer into a rope and made his escape from the window. उसने ब्लेज़र को एक रोप की शेप दे करके, और he went outside. His presence in the house is still a secret. Toto was now transferred to a big cage. उसको big cage में रखा गया and grandfather के बहुत सारे pets वहाँ पे थे. A tortoise था, pair of rabbits, tame squirrel and for a while my pet goat. So the monkey would not allow any of his companions to sleep at night. क्योंकि वो बदमाशियाँ करता था तो सारे भी जो थे सो नहीं पाते थे सारे जानवर. So grandfather who had to leave देहरादून next day to collect his pension, वो पेंशन लेने उनको जाना था सहारनपुर. उन्होंने ये डिसाइड किया कि he will take this monkey with him. Unfortunately I could not accompany grandfather. ग्रैंडफादर को के साथ नहीं जा पाए the author. And a big black canvas kit bag was there. And big canvas bag में टोटो को रखा गया और this with some straw at the bottom because his new abode. It was his new place. When the bag was closed, there was no escape. Toto could not get his hands through the opening and the canvas was too strong for him to bite. His efforts to get out only had the efforts of making the bag roll and floor. मतलब he could not do anything to move outside. An exhibition that attracted a curious crowd of onlookers on the Dehradun railway platform. Toto remained in the bag. वो बैग में ही रहा. But while grandfather was producing his ticket at the railway turnstile, Toto suddenly poked his head. उसने अचानक से बैग से निकल कर के झाँका और टिकट कलेक्टर जो था वो मुस्कुराया. The poor man was taken aback but with great presence of mind and much to grandfather's annoyance he said, "Sir, you have a dog with you." आपने एक डॉग रखा है and you will have to pay. आपको इसका टिकट का पैसा देना होगा. In vain did grandfather take Toto out of the bag. In vain did he try to prove that a monkey did not qualify as a dog and as a quadruped. Toto was classified a dog by the ticket collector and 3 rupees was charged from grandfather. Then grandfather, just to get his own bag, took from his pocket our pet tortoise and said, "What must I pay for this, since you charge for all animals?" The ticket collector looked closely at the tortoise and prodded it with his 4 fingers, gave grandfather a pleased and triumphant look. "No charge, it is not a dog." उसने कहा कि ये एक डॉग नहीं है, tortoise है. So when Toto was finally accepted by grandfather, he was given a comfortable home in the stable where he had for a companion family donkey Nana. एक डंकी भी था और जिसका नाम था नाना. On Toto's first night in the stable, grandfather paid him a visit to see if he was comfortable. अब उन्होंने देखा कि he found Nana without apparent cause pulling at her halter and trying to keep her head as far as possible from a bundle of hay. So जो डंकी था वो वहाँ से निकलने की कोशिश कर रहा था. ग्रैंडफादर गेव नाना a slap. उन्होंने एक स्लैपिंग किया and she jerked back, dragging Toto with her. He had fastened onto her long ears with his sharp little teeth. So उसने उसके long ears पे काट भी लिया था. टोटो एंड नाना नेवर बिकेम फ्रेंड्स. टोटो और नाना में बहुत लड़ाई होती थी, वो कभी भी फ्रेंड नहीं हो पाए. अ ग्रेट ट्रीट फॉर टोटो ड्यूरिंग कोल्ड विंटर इवनिंग्स वॉज द लार्ज बाउल ऑफ वार्म वाटर गिवन बाई ग्रैंडफादर. ग्रैंडफादर ने उसको गर्म पानी नहाने के लिए दिया था. ही वुड कनिंगली टेस्ट द टेम्परेचर. वो टेम्परेचर उसका टेस्ट करना चाहता था. देन ग्रेजुअली स्टेप इनटू द बाथ. उसने बाथिंग के लिए उसने स्टेप रखा. फर्स्ट वन फुट देन अदर एंड अनटिल ही वॉज इनटू द वाटर अप टू हिज नेट. अब जब उसमें डूब गया देन ही वॉज अबाउट टू बर्न. वो जलने लगा उसमें बिकॉज द वाटर वॉज मच वार्म. बहुत गर्म पानी था. एंड ही गॉट ट्रबल्ड हिमसेल्फ. उसने खुद भी प्रॉब्लम में डाल लिया था. ही वुड टेक द सोप इन द हैंड्स और फीट. खूब रबिंग करके नहा रहा था. व्हेन द वाटर बिकेम कोल्ड ही वुड गेट आउट. जब पानी ठंडा हो गया तो बाहर निकल के आया. इफ़ एनी वन लाफ्ड एट हिम. सारे लोग हंस रहे थे. टोटोज फीलिंग वुड बी हर्ट एंड ही वुड रिफ्यूज़ टू गो ऑन टू हिज बाथ. वन डे टोटो नियरली सक्सीड इन बॉइलिंग हिमसेल्फ एक दिन क्या हुआ कि उबलते पानी में बहुत मुश्किल से उसकी जान बची। लार्ज किचन केटल हैड बीन लेफ्ट ऑन द फायर। एक किचन केटल रखी हुई थी उबलने के लिए, उस पर चाय उबलने के लिए रखी थी। फाइंडिंग हिमसेल्फ विद नथिंग बेटर टू डू डिसाइडेड टू रिमूव द लिड। उसने उसका ढक्कन हटाया। फाइंडिंग द वाटर जस्ट वार्म इन इनफ फॉर अ बाथ। उसको लगा कि इट इज़ नॉट मच वार्म एंड इट इज़ ल्यूक वार्म। उसको लगा बहुत हल्का गर्म होगा। ही गॉट इन, वो उसमें जंप कर गया विद हिज हेड स्टिकिंग आउट विद ओपन केटल। दिस वॉज जस्ट फाइन फॉर अ वाइल until the water began to boil. Toto then raised himself a little, but finding it cold outside, sat down again. He continued hopping up and down, but some time until grandfather arrived and hauled him. उसके बाद वो आधा जल गया था, लेकिन उसको फिर बाहर निकाला क्योंकि बहुत ठंडक थी। बाहर भी निकलता तो वो ठंड में ठिठुर रहा था और अंदर ही रहा, इस वजह से वो हाफ बॉयल्ड निकला. If there is a part of the brain especially devoted to mischief, that part was largely developed in Toto. He was always tearing things to pieces. चीज़ों को फाड़ता रहता था, चाहे कपड़ा हो या कागज़ हो. He would always tear the thing into pieces. Whenever one of my aunts came near him, he made every effort to get hold of her dress and tear a hole in it. One day, at lunch time, a large dish of pulao stood in the center of the dining table. पे पुलाव रखी हुई थी. We entered the room and Toto stuffing himself with rice. Toto was also eating. My grandmother screamed. वो चिल्लाने लगी and Toto threw a plate at her. Toto was a monkey, so mischievous was a part of his actions. So he threw that plate at grandmother and one of my aunts rushed. और aunt जब उसकी तरफ भागी, he received a glass of water in the face. उसने फेंका. When grandfather पहुँचे, Toto picked up the dish of pulao and made his exit. उसने पुलाव की प्लेट उठाई और विंडो से बाहर भाग गया. We found him in the branches. और इन लोगों ने देखा कि जैकफ्रूट ट्री पर वो बैठा हुआ था. The dish still in his arms. और अभी भी डिश उसके हाथ में थी. He remained there afternoon, eating slowly through the rice. वो धीरे धीरे खा रहा था, determined on finishing every grain. And then in order to spite grandmother who had screamed at him, he threw the dish down from the tree. उसने वहाँ से नीचे फेंका मदर को चिढ़ाने के लिए चिल्लाते हुए. and chattered with delight when it broke into 100 pieces. And when the plate broken into 100 pieces, then he chattered and he was very happy at that time. So this was mischievous activities that he did. Obviously Toto was not the sort of pet we could keep for long. He was not as an animal to keep as a pet. Even grandfather had lost his patience, and he said we never not well to do and could not afford the frequent loss of dishes, clothes, curtains, because he was tearing clothes, he was tearing curtains, he was breaking dishes. And then grandfather found the tanga driver. उन्होंने टांगा ड्राइवर को उनको मिला टांगा ड्राइवर and sold Toto for only 3 rupees. उन्होंने 5 rupees में उसको ख़रीदा था. And then at last he had sold him to the same tanga driver in 3 rupees. And in this way he was able to get rid of this monkey. So we have read how mischievous was Toto and how he created problems to him and to others also. And at last grandfather decided to return back to the monkey. Okay students, I hope you would have understood very well. Thank you and Jai Hind.